Your Holiness, with respect I come to make my case. Anglican orders carry apostolic grace. Matthew Parker consecrated 1559. Unbroken succession from the apostolic line. We kept the threefold ministry, bishops, priests, and deacons. The ordinal may differ, but the substance not weakened. You side defective form and defective intention too, but our bishops truly meant what Catholic bishops do. The Nag's Head fable that's been proven false. Anglican orders don't depend on myths and faults. We're not Protestants rejecting sacramental grace. We're via media, the middle, charitable place. Apostalicae Curae cuts reunion at the root. If our orders are invalid, what's left to dispute? Lord Halifax, your devotion I do not deny, but theological truth can't rest on how hard you try. The Edwardian Ordinal 1552 remove the sacrificial language through and through. Receive the Holy Ghost, that's all it said. No mention of offering sacrifice for living and dead. Defective form means the essential matter's gone. Without that priestly character, the grace can't dawn. And defect of intention, your reformers made it plain. They rejected Catholic priesthood, broke the chain. Cranmer, Ridley, or your Reformation founders explicitly denied the Mass, they were its denouncers. It's not about good faith or Anglican sincerity. It's about sacramental validity and clarity. Convey. From the chair of Peter I must guard the flock against confusion about sacramental rock. The Council of Trent defined the priesthood clear. Sacrificial ministry, that's what must appear. Your Anglican divines in the 16th century remove that understanding systematically. It's not just about the words of ritual precision, it's about what the Church intends in her decision. When your bishops were consecrated under Edward's right, the intention was to break from Catholic light. You can't reclaim what was deliberately rejected. The apostolic succession was interrupted, disconnected. I know this hurts the cause of Christian unity, but truth before sentiment, that's my duty. Your Holiness, the ordinal was later revised. Under Charles, the sacrificial language was revived. 1662, we added back the text. Receive authority for priestly context. You judge us by the worst moment of our history, but development and correction show our mystery. The Calliline divines, the Oxford movement too, recovered Catholic doctrine, made it new. We have apostolic succession through continuous laying on of hands. From Cranmer back to Augustine of Canterbury, that's drawn. Your papal commission studied this for years, examined all the documents, addressed the fears. Some on your own commission had doubts about your call, but you declared it anyway, infallible after all. We kept the line, unbroken and true. We kept the line, apostolic through. We kept the line, despite what you construe. Additions don't repair the original break. You can't retroactively fix that foundational mistake. The sacrament's validity depends on the moment given, not on later revisions or how doctrine's driven. I consulted widely, prayed deeply on this matter. It's not about politics or making Rome seem fatter. It's about sacramental theology's integrity. The priesthood isn't just ministry, it's mystery. Your Anglo-Catholic revival, I see its beauty there, but revival can't create what wasn't in the chair. Acts 8 shows us Simon couldn't buy the power. Valid orders aren't conferred just any hour. I grieve that this closes doors you hope to open wide, but truth demands I stand with tradition as my guide. Your Holiness, this breaks my heart in ways you cannot know. I've spent my life pursuing unity's glow. The mailings, conversations, all the work we've done. You've declared it futile with this papal gun. We're not asking you to compromise your faith, we're asking you to recognize our sacramental wraith isn't real. We have the substance, we have grace, even if our form developed at its own pace. History will judge if this was wisdom or rigidity, if you preserve the truth or damage Christianity. I'll die an Anglican, faithful to my church and crown, but Rome's decision here has let reunion down.